cylinder. Cylinder is a surface generated by a straight line moving on a closed curve above a fixed and parallel straight line axis. If the closed curve is a circle, the cylinder is called a circular cylinder. Example: oil storage tanks, pencil, water pipe, etc. Axis of a cylinder. The line joining the centers of the circular ends of a cylinder is called its axis. OO' is the axis of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder. OA equals O-B is the radius of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. The length of axis of the cylinder is called height of the cylinder. AB is the height of the cylinder. Right circular cylinder. If the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the circular section, then the cylinder is called right circular cylinder. The right circular cylinder is a solid generated by the revolution of a rectangle about one of its sides.
Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. Let R be the radius and H be the height of a right circular cylinder. Then curved lateral surface area is equal to circumference of the base multiplied by height is equal to 2 pi RH.
Example: a right circular cylinder has base radius 14 cm and height 21 cm. Find area of base, curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the right circular cylinder.
Solution: base radius equals to R equals to 14 cm. Height of the cylinder equals to H equals to 21 cm. Now, area of base equals to pi r square or 22/7 into 14 square equals to 616 centimeter square. Curved surface area equals to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22/7 into 14 into 21 equals to 1848 centimeter square. Total surface area equals to 2 area of base plus curved surface area equals to 2 into 616 plus 1848 equals to 3080 centimeter square. Volume equals to area of base into height equals to 616 into 21 equals to 12,936 centimeter cube.
Total surface area of a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder comprises of a curved surface and two circular ends. Total surface area equals curved lateral surface area plus area of two circular ends.
Area of two circular ends is equal to pi r square plus pi r square.
Curved surface area equals 2 pi r h. Total surface area equals 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, which equals 2 pi r into h plus r.
Hollow cylinder. A hollow cylinder is a solid bonded by two coaxial cylinders of the same height and different radii. Example: water pipe. Curved surface area of a hollow cylinder. If capital R and small r are external and internal radii of a hollow cylinder of height h, then curved surface area of the hollow cylinder equals to external curved surface area plus internal curved surface area equals to 2 pi capital R h plus 2 pi small r h equals to 2 pi h into capital R plus small r. Two cylinders having same axis are called coaxial cylinders. Surface area of a hollow cylinder. Total surface area of the hollow cylinder equals to curved surface area plus 2 area of the base ring. Surface area of base ring equals to pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Total surface area equals to 2 pi h into capital R plus small r plus 2 into pi capital R square minus pi small r square equals to 2 pi h into capital R plus small r plus 2 pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r equals to 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h plus capital R minus small r.
Volume of a right circular cylinder. Volume of the cylinder equals area of the base into height, which equals pi into r square into h. Volume of the cylinder equals pi into r square into h.
Volume of a hollow cylinder. Volume of the material of the hollow cylinder is equal to external volume minus internal volume is equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h is equal to pi h into capital R square minus small r square.
Example: the difference between outside and inside surface areas of a 14 cm long metallic pipe is 44 square centimeter. If the pipe is made of 99 cubic centimeter of metal, find the outer and inner radii of the pipe. Given pi is equal to 22/7.
Solution. Let external radius of cylinder is equal to capital R and internal radius of cylinder is equal to small r. Difference in surface area is equal to outside surface area minus inside surface area. It implies 2 pi capital RH minus 2 pi small rh is equal to 44. It implies 2 pi h into capital R minus small r is equal to 44. It implies 2 pi into capital R minus small r into 14 is equal to 44. It implies capital R minus small r is equal to 44 upon 28. It implies capital R minus small r is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Equation 1. Solution. Difference in volume is equal to 99 cubic centimeter. It implies pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h is equal to 99. It implies pi into capital R square minus small r square into h is equal to 99. It implies pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r into h is equal to 99. It implies 22 upon 7 into capital R plus small r into 1 upon 2 into 14 is equal to 99. It implies capital R plus small r is equal to 9 upon 2. Now, capital R plus small r is equal to 4.5 and capital R minus small r is equal to 0.5. Solving the above equations, it implies capital R is equal to 2.5 centimeter. That is, outer radius capital R is equal to 2.5 centimeter and inner radius small r is equal to 2.0 centimeter.